Hello, we are now opening up the programs on sorting and searching. What is sort? Do you know? Sorting is a process. It is a process of arranging elements in any of the order. Order is like either ascending order or descending order, because if it is not in order, then in that case it is mixed up or it is in random order. Okay, so now if you have to sort something in order, you will have to follow a procedure. There are many procedures of sorting something in order. This one puts light on selection sort. Now this is a named procedure in which the work is done for all the steps in a specific manner. What is the detail of the working? Let us look into that. You see, the first row, I have purposely changed the colors here because the colors have got a significance. Look at the elements in the first row. You see, all these elements are like 50 is not in the place it should have been. 20 is the smallest. It should have been either in the beginning if for ascending order or should have been at the end for descending order. In the same way, the other elements are also not in order. What is done in case of selection sort in order to put them back in any of the specific orders, we have got a task here to find out the smallest. The moment the smallest is found, it is sent in the beginning of the unsorted array, and once again the unsorted this time becomes one less because this time one element has gone out and the element which was in the beginning is brought in the place where this smallest was sitting. Now you see the second one, it is also this time unsorted. The smallest is found, it is brought in front of the unsorted array and the element there is sent to that place of smallest. So 40 and 50 get a interchange. In the same way, this time 50 is the smallest, it goes this side and 85 comes and sits in place. Again in the next time, 60 is the smallest. Now 60 comes in front, 85 goes to the end. Now if I have got 5 elements, can you guess total how many times you will have to find the smallest? Is it 5 times or is it 4 times? That means if you have got so many elements, no matter how many, if it is 10 elements, if it is 20 elements, and you have to suppose to find the smallest every time, will you have to work for all the 20 elements? Or can you take the 20th element as granted? And when all of them are done, that means the last element need not be worked upon. Right. Now you will see this once again. I come to the program. I've kept the program ready for you. And I have taken an array as a, what is it called? Static allocation. I have put elements in the array directly so that I can do the work easily, otherwise array input takes time. Now, I have chosen the elements. How have the work been done? That is for you to see. You see, the work is done with help of variable b taking the loop from 0 to n minus 2. Why this n minus 2? This n minus 2 is because if there are 10 elements, then I have to work 9 times, because for 10 elements I need to find out the smallest, not 10 times but 9 times. And if I begin the cell numbers from 0, should I go up to cell number 9 or should I go up to cell number 8? Think on it. In the meantime, there is a loop inside the loop that is printing all the elements. You see, all the elements are printed here with the help of R. The temporary array elements are. And then this part is finding the smallest and its position. You see, you remember? There was a code to find the smallest and the position of the smallest. How is that done? If ever small is bigger than the element at the rth place, then small is overwritten and the position of small is overwritten. And after that smallest and its position has been found, the swapping, that means the interchange, that means bringing the smallest to the front and sending the current element to the position of the smallest is done. This will This part actually brings out the smallest from the unsorted list and puts it in the front and sends the element in the front to the entire heap there. And outside the loop, finally, the array is printed once again. I would like to show you the output here. See the output. The output shows that inside the loop, one by one, how the elements are getting placed in order. You see, the first time, this is the set of the elements. Then 20 comes in front, 85 goes there. Then 40 comes in front, 50 goes in there. Then 50 comes in front, 85 goes in there. And finally, 60 comes in front and 85 goes out there. Your task is to run the program with another set of numbers of your choice and then get convinced. Okay?